This is a 2012 62 plate Toyota Aygo Fire. Let me show you around quickly. She's a really cute little car. Oh, that's my dog. All around the front is all good. There's a slight graze, just, I don't know if I can get my finger in there, just here somewhere on the bumper corner, which has been touched in. Clean lines all the way down the side. Wing mirror covers are white. Indicator lenses are clear. She's 5-door. Trying to get out of the way while a car goes past. Nice and clean and tidy all around the back. As I said, she is a Toyota, and she is an Aygo, and she's a Fire. Let me just show you inside the boot. So parcel shelf all in place, that's all good, and just in here it's all clean and tidy. Backs of the seats are all good in front. And I'm just going to show you in the back doors. So these are the back seats. The two passenger seats in the back. They don't look like they've ever been used. Seat belts are all good. And I'm just going to show you in the front now. So that's the front passenger seat. All good in there. Front driver's seat. I'm just going to step in and start her up. So you can see here she's done 33,690 miles. She's got decent history with her, and we have just done the first set, I think, of brake pads and discs on the front. So I'll show you those when we get out. These are all her controls with her stereo, etc. She has got air conditioning here, all her heating controls, etc. And she is 5 forward speeds and 1 reverse. She has got a full book pack, which is all in here. I don't know if you can see. Full owner's manual. Just put that back in there. She's electric windows. She's 2 keys. These are the keys. Just going to show you around here. So that's all the wheels. Tyre tread's really good all round. We have, I think, just put an MOT on her. In fact, I'm sure we've just put an MOT on her. And if I just show you in here quickly, I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see in there. Can you see in there? I don't know. Can't see because the sun's out today. Brand new brake pads and discs at the front. So she's in really good shape. So she's a 62 plate Toyota Aygo. If you'd like to see her in the flesh, give me a call. I'll be on my mobile 07540 29 22 22, and details will be on our website, which is mrsmini.co.uk. And thanks for watching.